The BMW M1000RR is not just a motorcycle. It's a purebred racing machine disguised as a road-legal superbike. Born from BMW's M Performance division, the M1000RR is a bold declaration of speed, power, and precision. When you look at this bike, you're staring at the most aggressive and performance-focused motorcycle BMW has ever built. It's not just a step up from the S1000RR. It's a leap into a whole new realm of engineering and adrenaline. Designed for the track, but made accessible for the streets, the M1000RR sets a new standard for what's possible on two wheels. Under the fairings of the M1000RR lies a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that screams performance. This engine is based on the power plant of the S1000RR but has been reworked with lightweight titanium components, two-ring forged pistons, and shorter intake funnels for enhanced responsiveness, producing around 212 horsepower and a peak torque of 113 Newton-meters. The bike can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. It redlines at a staggering 15,100 RPM, which puts it in the same breathing space as top-tier MotoGP machinery. But the M1000RR isn't just about raw horsepower. It's about how that power is delivered, managed, and used effectively to dominate any corner or straight it faces. BMW has loaded the Superbike with high-end components that make it a razor-sharp weapon on the racetrack. Carbon fiber winglets on the front fairing provide significant downforce at high speeds, improving front-end stability and preventing wheelies under hard acceleration. These are not just for show. They're wind tunnel-tested and track-proven to enhance lap times by giving the rider more control and confidence when pushing the bike to its limits. Alongside that, the fully adjustable suspension from Marzocchi and high-performance braking system from Nissan ensure maximum grip and stopping power. Every component is fine-tuned for racing precision. The electronic suite on the M1000RR is nothing short of state-of-the-art. Riders can access multiple ride modes including rain, road, dynamic, and race, each altering the throttle response, traction control, engine braking, and wheelie control. There's also a Race Pro mode that gives experienced riders complete control over the settings. Add to that a quick shifter for seamless clutchless gear changes, dynamic traction control, launch control, and a 6.5-inch TFT display that offers detailed telemetry data in real time. The M1000RR doesn't just respond to rider inputs. It anticipates them, corrects them, and helps you become faster and smoother with every lap. Visually, the M1000RR is a head-turner. The signature asymmetrical headlamps have been dropped in favor of sleek, track-focused symmetry. Its aerodynamic bodywork, carbon fiber wheels, and aggressive stance make it clear that this bike means business. Every curve, every panel, and every bolt has been designed with weight reduction and performance in mind. It's not just built to look fast, it's built to be fast in ever.